Hello and welcome. This is an instructional video for utilizing the employee self-service portion of the AccSyss HR Now software suite. We are going to discuss how to navigate the My Profile tab. To begin, select My Profile from the options on the navigation tool in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, under the self-service menu items list, and click on it. When you click on this item, you will see the My Profile tab open up next to the Desktop tab. Below the top-level tabs you will see sub-tabs which are titled Profile, Experience, Payroll, Management, and Other. By default, the first sub-tab, entitled Profile, will be showing once you have clicked on My Profile in the self-service menu items. In this video we will be explaining the Profile sub-tab. The docs that you will see are Basic Employee Data, Emergency Contacts, Dependents, Job Roles, Paid Time Off, Assign Property, Documents, and Notes. Here you will be able to view your demographic information, and depending on the structure of the company that your employer has selected, you may, or may not be able to update and save this information. The first doc, Basic Employee Data, contains 5 tabs of its own. They are Basics, Name, Address, Other, and EEO. The Basics tab is the first of the tabs and appears as the default when you open the Basic Employee Data tab. Included in Basics are your name and contact information. The second tab within the Basic Employee Data doc is the Name tab. Click on the Name tab now. This tab has your full name as well as details about you, including any nickname, social security number, birth date, and salutation. The third tab, Address, has your full current and most recent former address. At the bottom of the doc is a button that says Lot/Long. If you click on this button you will see the exact latitude and longitude of your current home address. The fourth tab, entitled Other, will display your citizenship and employment details, such as your hire date and employment type. The final tab in Basic Employee Data is the EEO tab. This tab contains the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission information. The next doc below Basic Employee Data is the Emergency Contacts doc. This will contain the name, your relationship to, and the phone number of the emergency contacts that you currently have filed with your employer. The third doc is entitled Dependents, and shows the names, your relationship to, and the birthday of, your claimed dependents. The first doc in the second column is the Job Roles doc. This shows information about your company and your assigned job within the company. Next is the Paid Time Off doc. It will show your up-to-date PTO accruals in a pie chart. You can hover over each slice of the color-coded chart to see the exact amount of time off that has been accrued, taken, or is still available, as well as any amount that is pending approval by your HR contact or by your employer. Next is the Assign Property doc. This will show any property that has been issued to you for your use as well as the date it was assigned to you and, if applicable, when it is due to be returned. In the third column, the first doc that you will see is entitled Documents. If granted permissions to do so, this doc would provide a location for any documentation that you as the employee would want to upload and make available to the company. The final doc on this page is entitled Notes. Again, if you are granted permissions to do so, this doc would allow you to store any notes that you would feel were important to store for later for yourself and for the company to review. This concludes the introduction to the Profile sub-tab of the My Profile tab. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Goodbye.